Ah, shit. This is what I was excited for. Got a lot of snow. And it's like ice. I'm gonna take my ruckus out. I already know what's gonna happen. I already know the outcome before it even began. No binding to that sucks. Yeah, we're definitely going down. I'm gonna hit that, I'm gonna go down.
Andy, let me get going first.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, there goes the binding. There goes the other binding. Yeah, as ready as I'll ever be. Oh shit. Shit. Oh shit.
So violent.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Sit on it?
I mean, I'll do it, but I don't think it'll work. This one I don't feel as confident about. I mean, fuck. Yeah, I'm always down. Who the fuck am I?
Hold the loop and hold the board.
Like that? I'm like,
Don't hold the board. Fingers getting scraped against the seat.
hold on. Let me do this.
Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't do that. Let go.
Just drag it on down.
Watch it just stop. Oh shit. Oh.
You go too fast. You go too fast. Once you start turning.
We're out here just having some fun in the snow. We'll see if I make a video about it, but my nephew's learning how to drift. Gotta start him out young. Yeah. Oh God. All right. Yeah.
Good. Go, go, go.
Hit the gas loop.
Stay win. Good.
I'll do it now.
In this shit to win it, never gonna lose, all the haters better quit it. You can stop tripping, take a peek, you don't wanna miss this career blasting off like that guy with the hit list. Never